Honorable Obi Amwa, MP for Ekrapim South. I was a Deputy Minister of Local Government. Honorable Abako Aba Happy 90.9 FM so.
Yeah, Joso.
Na bibia aboko di akra.
Nyame adum bibia aboko.
Yeah, that's it. Say your tone safre wo wonya adaje na woni ye baba etwen komo.
Eso me das nyame hia mo. Happy dey say. We find say me a shareholder or happy. Happy start any ETV na bia me na me regular participant wa. Inti bia na ekoso so me di akire. Ni papa ni boni nyina me tie bi. Omo to bomb ni omo to bomb nyina azumete. Every day madam asese ne. Nyina enya bra e ba betra ha.
Na o am na to bomb yi.
Oh, sir, Bob to us, one ni momo.
Akutia ni minura.
Akutia ni minura. The man was saying that when you bread your mommy, na me so major free parliament say me ba bet sahana yegina yedin komo. Ni a dwengana ho. Ni ahwe kwan fa so a ye fa so yegina bet me ayama na ye.
Okay.
Nti me da mas nyame hira mo pa.
Nyame hira wo pa sa fe no ajoin ya bet me de message about 0202222067 0202222067 na question bi a pese ebusa Honorable Obi Amwa no ono nso yebusa no amount. But in the meantime Honorable yemusa very quick one. You can local government majuma so pa ne say
me da se uka local government we find say amamu a ubetimi dia akofom ama mensi bia so anya ho mfaso say sikasem say adwenkyere say mpuntuo say bibia omo so a omo mensi no benya ho mfaso eno na yen yahwe so ma bibia akọ pepepe o hwe yemra point e constitutional constitutional sheda per chapter baako chapter 20 chapter 20 ni say kania e wo se etimi ye e ma say ye kabi ma min kabia se bi enye nkranko na ka say nkranko parliament na wa ha dia parliament be kan kwa na nyina ye fa ko mensi bia ye assembly o a omoso omotra se dwendwen sa mensi no ho mpuntuo nkanko bibia beboa ama bibia akoso na se am sika ne constitution no na ama ho kwan se sika sema fa bi ko ho
okay
mpuntuo afa bi ko ho kabi mam kabia hwe na omusu nya kwan nka bi
okay
eno na constitution di ahyem nyina o se edi so na hwe emre mo sesi a sa local government ye sha se 1988 e be fa say afi atwam ya na nka ye be 30 years but no kwa na constitution in buy no na be si mo kina say na wo say ye hwe na mensi bia nso enya aban ho mfaso na nko ye say e bia nkran na akru kesem kwa na wuti aban ho mfaso na sa mfaso no impuntio kona sika kona o hwe se ba hye bia pepepe no na kebi ma min kebi nso o de ko ha mo bia ho atono nti se bi tosin a nke se local government no untumi hwe ma ne nko yi o ministry ho no ye yere se achiche mensi amaye ne ye hwe so o mbibia mu
okay
na hwe se mra no mu di so a constitution no mu di so a imputu o se ko da eko sika o se ko da eko kebi ba min kebi a o se o mo hwe no o mo ya na to fa bibi se constitution na kire ho kwan to fa bibi se local governance act 936 2016 eno so akire ho kwan ene ne adwuma da ye ni sututu a o se ehwe ma bibi aye pepepe
eno ne adwuma da eye local government eni so a eye se ehwe e ma bibi aye pepepe na ye kan waka 1988 time when chairman Rollins ana e wo so no na emso set up committee bi meboa honorable or set up committee bi a 27 member committee omotena wa kusede eye ensemugu nkrata so de baye say sa nioma ne yemfa so to achieve eye governance to the doorstep of the people.
Yes,
but okay,
but so time no na military PNDC na kebi ma min kan bi no na ni ho na ye atro your constitution no
okay
and na o ma no mo so sa time no any mom culture constitution no who say local governance and who here into the financial constitution. I call referendum. April 92. They call you constitution in our tomb. They get two local government structure and so. Yajiatum. Now, so share a constitution one, baby, you have it to answer our parliament. Baby, also, Ghana for you and show my answer. Wait, master. Into buy a constitution, sanity. Into local government, so baby, I had a finching, baby, also, upper south, with their parliament, not parliament, to chess Gituma, then also by Emra. Into Sana Yasusuma for 30 years. 30 years, first Emra, and the son say, I local governance act 2016 act 936. 936 so after constitution so after saying o see a bibia one of the better musaba abeko assembly one appointed DC one of the gidi two more assembly ho committees be na better assembly wo be assembly so amayen sika be na o se common fund ko mpuntu be na o se hwede ko kebiba min kebiba ni ahyehe ewa assembly ho any assembly mramu a awso de adwuma tinyina na kaboma na hu se se benye Ghana nkwa mama bebre a omoji local governance to mu o hu se sei na de input obeba sei na de ahoto beba sei na bema etumi aboa e ho ama oman na akoyie.
Right, yababa the local governance structure no any baby a static any baby yes no and even what the people are calling for. But in the meantime em say adebakwa ye nyina ye kan ho asem which the president of the republic did anwatum sanitation ho nsem.
Yes.
Initially not sanitation under local government mewa.
Your department on the local government.
What changed? What has changed in the local government? Because some people are saying that local government can deal with sanitation issues better in the sense that their national presence in here more and higher than that of a Ministry of Sanitation. What is your take on it?
Well, nuclear homes still we have assemblies now they deal with sanitation. In local government we need home free sanitation mother. Once the assemblies local government are said here. Yes, sanitation, you train mutanya, local government can assemblies can. Now, when it comes to policy now, to do not could the Ministry of Water and Sanitation.
Okay.
Omuna, a co-cabinet, a co-representative, a Ghana on water and sanitation issues. When we say, say local government was say, Yadi anu tumana, it can be an aya bois. Because we be a because we are say crowd share garage project local governments who are component even though because say you know the department and the Ministry of Local Government say elevate sanitation issues to a whole ministerial level and to water and sanitation they are share ministers and so mon share no one can answer. But as I said once assemblies and the share mention so no there I was say anyone collaborate. Researchers be ha e kwa na betimi aka ne kese am assemblies ne hu say na was here no this nti media if you ask me I would then say department and I say as no ya in the whole ministerial sector.
It's not just you're giving it prominence
ya ma ho budget ya ho budget ya ho ministers draw policy implement policy na cabinet what they think say we should be able to do to push the agenda of water and sanitation forward. I think it's an elevation rather than downgrading the issue of water and sanitation.
Elevation, for complaining says still we are not seeing the results. Even when it was under Ministry of Local Government, the results were there for you to see. Now, okay, I'm the ministry on its own. I say, if you know, so many. What do you think the problem is?
Well, sometimes, you know, a bit like I say, a tea my referee. Because when we were minority side, no, now we can't sanitation once and now we can't opinification, now we can't sanitation issues are. And my year ranking, I can say Ghana is one of the dirtiest in Africa and even the world. Satani create a whole ministry for it. And the people should not create the impression say a creative ministry and say Fiaba. No, I will not agree because we share they say sika call that sector now. It's more than even Tama NKT ministry, and that is a reality because, as I said, the elevation number there now the more resources than Ecoho. First, I will not agree, say the sanitation in West.
But has it gotten better?
It could have even been far better.
Okay.
But there are several issues. And some of the issues, intersectorial in the sense, and your minister back where you say, who can drainage, now can call better, now call works and housing. What you say?
Look at the Sultan of
Gatesa.
Works and
housing.
Okay.
And so now, okay, Serbia,
waste management,
assemblies, assemblies in waste management, so resources will be better. It be free water and sanitation. It be so free local government.
Okay.
It's as a ministers in Yane or say a kind of home. For instance, so say Ministry of Works and Housing, almost say to be able to immediately address the issues of flooding. For instance, I work sanitation component. I devote more than 200 million for that effort. Or share budget for at least the past 4 to 5 years. This is the highest I buy to devote for that process. And no stopgap measure, because the major issue major measure no, $200 million. I buy the World Bank. It much be a fear basically. Also, it's near drainage system. You have how to solve major problems. A bad boama, a flood in the grass, so a brassy. But you share and see at Obia part of the major problem is sanitation issue.
Okay.
Because it's your toner drainage, and shed on your papa. Obi or pay for the animal and will be as soon as be a people are saying that now do we need even drainage a bit to cover? And I ain't open drainage inside and go for no magum. For no maguma and choke that. In Sota, in Twinko, now Faso, now and in Semibriaba. Into all those issues are connected and intertwined. Into me, ABI and Casabia. One side pen share. But Fanfana Shamana, na Nenimne Echo. We can very well say 2015 June 30
right
a circle you're showing this year in high and pa and my megami bisa a question of parliament say your guy said 2012 parliament yeah approve $663 million Accra sewer and drainage system. A friend of Conti project. Now 2015 a Conti project na kosi saying because Conti no local partners are there was almost share my drainage, sanitation issues. Bema in and Sa project 2012 approval of parliament by 2013 my opinion also Erajo Mama. Okakache sort. Say the project a solve your major problems in our sanitation and sewage and drainage system. At the end of the day, we didn't see the Conti project. Conti project now so in to so says over $660 million project here. It ya mahu kwan ya approve of parliament. President so to president they are so about from and at that time cannot a grader so. Yeah, what 2015 Maso.
But it's kind of fine.
Just kind of a do stage, you know, say I pay Sikawa, the Kaka. It's now dredge masters in a Kakahono. Now Sikana was say for America, yeah, who anymore. We were in area near to Swa, and himself our project in the best solve problem of mine. In fact, 2015-2016, that's our project now in Koswa. And so we have to start all over again. 2015, sir, flood number, Yahochi, and a World Bank so Bemu. Bemu, no, say Accra Resilient Project. Get Accra Resilient Project in friend Garrett. Garrett dinner, ye nyina ja tum se nya $200 million a ebetuma hwa ma ne pese ye nyina on drainage no ma na etima ye but no unim se projects are check
okay
yes be a uka na ade chi na monsaka
okay
ya me cha de se bibia ma works and housing for local government finance water and sanitation I fear besimu 2020 gra wa ma yen but sa na o se ba
okay
fear besimu no o se sa project to take you off na ya sheda sa major areas that can drainage system free hachu free achimota here or dona be bia no it ma hwa na ye Ministry of Works and Housing April media encounter they outlined all those things about Amasa no me akoyi nti that is how far I can go when it comes to some of these
issues of sanitation no
but mensi nye se binya akra nkwa o hwe in fact we start to feel akra e be ya tum se first na AMS super
okay
me o hwe Jamestown no be hwa bedu airport asa de afosu o de afa nima ma obi ene nyina me o de afa adabraka e de abesi ase o odon na ne silver cap hormina ehun se me omobo mo homode nanso adwuma no ayekese amom it's one of the steps I are taking is be create municipalities so enya municipality
okay
o kan ko enya municipality ayawaso west east central enya municipalities wogon wogon so enya municipality tema east enya municipality inti chechemu
afine be take effect and take effect already
oh you create municipalities nya no
okay
at least ebinum ye afia kakra bi afia ne aka ne de afia twam yi aketi bebre ya edokra no ya pa musika be sisi assembly samo mo nya ne kakno the aim is to make sure say even when it comes to sanitation issues yeah for the nyina to aim so ahoden sikasem nipa be ye ne kakno ekichema no obi wo airport na ya waso west wogon no airport no mo hwe airport they can address the issues better than leaving everything to AMA. You know, one aspect of it, but we feel other places, no. Obia so your sanitation major priority. But the choir woman also say, Obeka, we be any who are better magazo. I did see I know it's my area.
You got your drum right.
Hi. Bidumo mu here sikadi ayese adwuma no. Bi won sokura ni aboni be fe no political wo. Ya trawa mo bi akosi dan wo waterway.
Said your motorway ngrofo asha CSC slams so yi. Ye betena wa hwa momo asa ni nyina wi.
Na wo se okona san ko bubu. Uko bubu yiso onto abama. Ya mo wa nya ntubio. So nyina ni me se etimi ya e nyina ho betoye. Yesu yes central for ya na e de camera be kwakọ se adenta ye budan o Medina ye budan o ewom se rule of law se woni kwan so bebusa dan na budan na ipa ntimi de court otimi du sama o ma je kwan be na o atumi be na wa otimi de bebusa dan but by and large no bebre na o ma ko sisi o bebe ni kwan so mo sisi no mo ni hu papers kra enso o ka se o koye sisi a oh yeah no maybe no muntiase muntiase say ni nyina no information and education so ka ho but me de be am ka say minyaya anka de no ma ho start kra ma ka say me ba ba bubu eno say no sikasem ni
we need to be proactive
ka ho and you need to have the resources because I always be share be assembly for the chief executives na we be had American say adena so be the container be si ho Moshe no to block no say no kofa border no say na moti ohwa obewi na yi container na si ho a etintim no abie o say o de ye shop obra oni sa authority no anka ne papa mu a nipa ne start ya okoye stop work na wo stop no
Yes, stop work.
Yes, stop work. No, Jacoda.
So we your office.
Hey, the guy, the quack, and I said, the equipment, they stop on.
And they are no more. Almost said I control and said, "A bear office, a bear mamre." Said, "What you may have
also I saw Mutrovia, Oba, papers, and the papers on farm. Into our Upecoya, and someone who can say, on no soon call, no funny pay, and going free. And no, I can find some briaba. A horror, Oka presence attitude dinner in a. I'll say in a bois. So cock be so, and all my be so. Over her fell, I had a chinga ground to infant to her. I haven't been to the shoe. I had that's been unimla or got to be to form, and that's been siwa as a matter. Sabe, San Crofono, a moon changing. Nanso, Omudi Mraso, Omasha Dimraso, Ama, says you'll be agitum say, oh, yeah, I buy so more, Yadi, we have a baby amount. A woman said, or memory sanitation costs. Almost said, here me for the other municipal assemblies, no. Or more bylaws. Many we never went to her. Almost be summer and grand say, or more sanitation, no man, and coso. Nanso, the Biana was on Swanny Park Court. Yeah, there's a case from court. They be a ticket to mom. They be a swam court. But what I'm saying is, yes, sir, I'm grand I see who say, who do Hunia for so when you're from. Many say, I am will be. So we will feel potoa. I just been a team feeding my airport. Sebi, here, boa. In a sick and the hospital. See a church says a fina, yet tremuma, ye fino. M.Y. and Hunzus are so a baby. Yet the Biana was a Bible who said, Dihuni. But
Honorable Obiama, you agree, sir? A Baya said, sir, the Bia, the Rubon Conipa 18. Now, yes, I punish people. Enforcement of the law. Yes, 80 Abaya said, near the Biana betting the political will is not there. Who agrees that the political will is not there? Yeah, that is where the problem starts.
The political will is there. Sometimes you have to appreciate the fact to say, who can say we are one house, one toilet. That household no toilet in here. You can even instruct to be a toilet to the fee. If you don't see toilet now, by the baby toilet, baby deno.
There be what they never court. Near
finding you are. It's every day we finding until so busy toilet.
Until so busy.
We got to know Puano.
Now the neko. Near jelly, jelly is one concord demo. Near jelly no acquire communal service one Puano in what.
I wish you said Mubenya reporters.
Okay.
The correspondence or multi assembly CB transit. No more who. Sanitation court in summer, they be a bem. Yes, a be a match addo.
Or Moyepa, so the media must carry it.
We shut down for money in the H. More money in the H. Never offer a Jesua mayor. Say, go for Sena, dear Busumi, Modomako court. I'm going to call court in the NC. A fine woman, be a codemana, been met to meet ya. So that people also become aware and say, hey, yes, sir, it's me, a fee, and a pa.
But I think as part of the strategies to get people to change their attitude, AMA other municipalities, also incorporate attention of the media as part of changing the people's attitude. The AMA should make it a cogent effort, say, and publicity, yes, just so the people will know the things going on there. Honorable Obiamoye, kasi ebejina sanitation. Why am say the whole day? Because sanitation we here go for pa. Okateche, please ask Honorable Obiama, why is the sanitation and drainage system responsibility scattered among the ministries? Answer way very quick na yanko yenim.
Major issues be sanity. Service security in one municipal security.
Okay.
But security, defense room, interior room, national security room. It's the same way, no. One sanitation cast across. And then one municipal. As I said, the works a housing or no more DNA, a drainage system, a flood, stopping flood, in a Kakawa.
Okay.
In the same way, you should elevate department to a ministry. Some of your water and sanitation.
Right.
But, and I'm saying, Mercy, Bia, so here sanitation. No, see, na local government, no, na local government, yes, so. Engineer se bia e bia was scatter na untimi nye coordination no ho omko cabinet meeting no take decision policies say na say econo budget say na ya devote to this aspect of it projects se bia akra ha e bi for greater akra
I see chimney ngofo nsa ekoso na obi atimi ye ne de kete we say kama
sa
okay yebe to ankomo so but local governance structure Efrihi na kopem he funny draw in the election of the authorities of a local governance.
That's it. So of course local government at the center no ministry no Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development. Yeah, there was
okay.
And sana so share say be size wise in hierarchy there. In fact size is more important. Size no metropolitan assemblies.
Okay, me nasefo.
Any TM no. And so no about a municipal. And it's based on size. And so no called districts.
Okay.
And no na assembly bia no your chief executive. And rather say Mampanyin be power say chief executive. No power na to test our assembly hono. Also mo jitum and so na nipa na be chief executive. As we speak no Ufa ni IFN MMDCs and say Metro, Municipal and District Chief Executives are 260 and also Mampanyin a power. Sani pay. Assembly Biano say to test no agitum say Mampanyin didn't pardon by no. Yes, you are Jatum. And no, yeah, an article 2431. 2431. Appointment of DCs.
Okay, 2431. There shall be a district chief executive for every district who shall be appointed by the president with the prior approval of not less than 2/3 majority of members of the assembly present and voting at the meeting. Okay.
I'll call 242.
242.
242 no chiro Oma ometimi atra assembly ho.
A district assembly shall consist of the following members. A. One person from each local government electoral area within the district elected by universal adult suffrage. B. The member or members of parliament from the constituencies that fall within the area of authority of the district assembly as members without the right to vote. C. What I say?
Yeah, it say can assembly ni ho. It do about to yenka ho.
MP Samuel area mo no Moka assembly ne ho but do some more to about to elect the DC year and no more can what is the rationale behind it?
Sana constitution name manager so you fall within the area of authority.
Okay,
so you are a member more or less as official. We are member then so say it do about to also say about to nya say be EDC nko.
Okay,
you be also to ho bia no
mon kan ho
o kan so ntumi to
money voting right.
Any voting right
so far bibit say me constituency me municipality ajusu dwaben a ajusu dwaben municipal ye wo dwaben ene ajusu e hyase e aduo mene amapokua amapoma wo munni eye voting right e wo ho
so mo mutbi chair mo adwen assembly ho etimi de mo adwen no ma ho de mboa etimi de information free in Kranko.
Okay.
About to also no municipal right.
C. The district chief executive of the district and D. Other members not being more than 30% of all members of the district assembly appointed by the president in consultation with the traditional authorities and other interest groups in the district.
And only one-third government appointees. No?
Okay.
Government appointees say Mampanyin who to me say about 30%, more than 30% na. Also ba kan wan ato omo so aba ne ho. Any MPs or honey this year omo assembly ho.
Okay.
Na the papa mu no I was say oni ahemfo any other interest groups esusu ho.
Ansa no pass ankrofo no.
No mo so aba kan ho na enya complete assembly.
Okay. But Osha said the formation of the assembly already the entire decentralization local governance by said the people must have their own people they can trust to work for them. But when it comes to a DCE pointer, it is appointed. And when I go for Brady Nkomo, offer Professor Ahoy book Krana talking about decentralization, the last pillars that can let us achieve the decentralization process, election of MMDCs. So far, What is your take on it, and where have we gotten to as a nation?
Election of MMDCs. Some say kind of share constitution.
Okay.
243 I can't answer. Na constitution so since 93. To about 92 since 93 ni I practice. Into I feel 26 years ni. Na ni obia kan say aden na nipa na ono ohwe mansini so no de mansino any who to me say omo no beto so aba obviously assembly members omo ko assembly ho unit committee for omo kra yeto omo so aba MP yeto no so aba president yeto no so aba aden na edu chief executive so ono de say president am power na nipa kakra bi enyin no me chief executive obviously so share constitution mu a no chere say hono to sin kakra na ofa we are say mama nyina ofa Africa kra uko Kenya uko Uganda uko South Africa uko Cameroon all these places no nipa na yeso hwe sa amensi no so yeto so aba bato denye assembly for kakra bia akosia o se nipa 30 akosia yese pemu 2
nipa dodo na neto no so aba
pa dodo no obi a wo vote bia wo kwan se wo to aba no una obeyi sa nipa ya ohwe mensi so na answer meba Constitutional Review Commission 2010 omampenya nya ne baby ko Professor Mills no
okay
I would say far back as 2000 na MPP they share manifesto
osmoint me anye
they share manifesto say beto this is for mensi for so aba area for office 2008 no na ye ntumi nye ma paying for last message to the nation or can want some say I heard it when him say ntima nye na bi no say time ni nu ye ntu e bukakra iti I heard it aja to me say e kan manifesto ho a ye ntumi am fulfill
okay
2010 and as I said, in Professor Mills Tini Commission. Commission, when it came to decentralization, Omunina Jitu Muse, ya qua pro, ya ningo for Ghana for Yina Akasa. A bit much at the Abba. We bring no actual margin say. Sa how dear Yanya Anka Emma Obio Toa Babua or this at one Toaba and Fanny Nidisi.
Okay.
And 2012, just say, we are commission of inquiry. I say, yeah, buy a friend of white paper, no. White paper, I bet you say, I buy and say, now I know, me no yardro ha, me no yardro ha, me ji way to, me way to. Until 2012, Emura Mampenya, say, only Subio, John Mahama. 2012, white paper. White paper, them buy, no, and almost so many commission for no yardro say. Yento this is for so about direct
o man penny John Dramani mama buying
na buying
e white paper buy na white paper ni mo no tro say one commission no Professor Mills setting no enya adwene say yento DC so about direct by the people universal adult suffrage okay
na aban ni mum ni aban no hwehwe ne say anka mo ma panyin no emfa ni panum
okay
we pa ni panum na sa ni panum Marco Public Service Commission. Mukwa ni asonso akamiensa. Ye disa amiensa na kwose ento omo so aba.
Okay.
Yeso no omo solution no. 2012. Ena parties ni biaka to say PPP, CPP, any MPP id anim. Ye dey say by direct elections.
Okay.
Ye by direct elections of MMDCs. And no na etimi ya me chade Ghana for hu ye mobo to abama ese emra na media man so and then near the share manifesto say e dey ba anka within 24 months e be direct
within 24 months which is 2 years
e be direct elections to coincide with the next assembly elections.
Okay.
And no man paying Ekufuado aban ne man paying Ekufuado odi anim say ade any promises say e be to about direct. I say the person is at 7 more. Tell me say, yeah, my party for who kwan no mo so nyi nipa o mbegina if you say one say party for ka ho a and ma assembly elections no edimu because you say yes non partisan even though it techiri we bia ne akwa
even the assembly members say we important kwamfori ne don blame obumfa obia ni mbia party wo
me no kasa say design my buy assembly elections ya me ya aduma parties na start decide who no nkoman yeah
asia ye ho kokose chimai ostrich ni mpefesi ye MPP and this assembly level and so you see any party sem
echini amapayin Kufuor State of the Nation address 2017 2018 2019 you can say only the only painful bebre susu ho ama even former presidents granting ya adwen says e beto this is for so aba e ma party form hu nhye mo mi o mani pefe no form ho nka ho no obi be ka say na ban aba so no obese o share power o say anya hwe ukọ sabe ukọ South Africa bia Cape Town Pretoria omo mo hwe so ho no
omunye ensifo
en South Africa ngui ukọ land na se obenya land mayor aw Labour en so Conservative Party run country no ngui na bia be ko bia on my example say bia federal country say American ma and the mu say ade o ma hyehyɛ example so ma no my example say unity state say there I can say sabi ngofo say 260 ya metimi appointee me je mama say akoye free for maka impuntu hu eka democracy hu eka kebiba min kabini ye ni ma pese yeko enti ma parties mfa o mu hunjim
okay
because already now parties the omo agim and omo tete ho no and I say adwuma na kwa mienu ni say 2431 na eka appointment no
okay
and no of your constitution ma ye free bibi entrenched and non entrenched constitution ya chem say ba se wo pesa wo sesa bibi o constitution ma e kwan wo so fa so kwan ba kwan so fa so no wo de ba parliament na parliament no to test agiatum na wasesa and no ye free non entrenched na na entrenched ni say wo pesa wo sesa constitution analysis areas wo pesa wo sesa and they was say
call for referendum
anko tumi to abanyina o mamu ha no o mo so kire o madwen na o madwen o mo kire nkra na o se nipa se bia 40% etimi ka se o mo ba be kire o madwen na mu 75% no agi atum se 100% o sesa no ene o ya adwen ti adwuma na kwa mienu se 2431 no se the parliament da ne se attorney general o ma panyin ni cabinet aman ho kwan so on fa nko parliament say o peso yesesa 2431 no say enyo ma panyin na be DC na emum be by universal adult suffrage within the district what we to ababia or this is obia no won so be che wadwen say DC we ne epe no
okay
it is a parliament gitum by 2/3 na ke sa ho no yasesa
okay
the way I econo means that before the December na parliament at Chenadwi say
it's when no more non entrenched
and
the whole country
okay. Parliament in the Chenadwi parliament na ebeji atum say yensesa na say do DC so a what this it no yina yen to the swaba no me ye DC na enam say
eno be ba so da ben
our parliament you say a committee on legal and constitutional and political constitutional affairs committee
okay
so free be second reading say omo jiji obi adwen omo ji obi adwen omo de report but omo de report ba ni abe debate say policy ni say na ban say enye mra de abeto ni answer na according to consideration stage say wa obeso amend bibia fabra na be kire na nyina nyintum say ye amend answer na yetume move on inti word we wa ha no yes the word we she ho a e be papa yes ano na we say 2/3 G2 na yakwa we call the third reading is say ya wie bibia na yes an kan builder ye nyina agi atum it is then the parliament the share na you so the committee in the report ba ye beto aso ne aye yes small paragraph inti enya de a ebe che parliament ho na enam say yes yeah political party activities political parties also etimi chisu ya adwen say o person o yi DC we kwa pem sata yeah people for you feel say o di power betime di DC no
okay
one o say etimi turn DC no kire say yeah the local government say na yeah na be yi. Two, at the national level your party no adwen o local government huni ni sa adwen na so na person di
eboama mo
DC no so tumi ye nanso answer na weka say political parties imremu no kire wa sesa constitution no
okay
na sa ho no ye 55-3
Article 55.3.
Article 55.3.
Before I say about Article 55.3, Nesono, Obi the concern about Senior Richardson said it is a laudable idea, but they must include a law to regulate the budget of those campaigns. There must be a law to regulate the expenditures of candidates in the elections. 55.3.
So, who do you come to Hamo?
Okay.
But so, kind of
55.3 was I see. Was it? And I read 1992 and you didn't come on 55.3. Or say subject to the provisions of this article, a political party is free to participate in shaping the political will of the people, to disseminate information on political ideas, social and economic programs of a national character, sponsor candidates for election to any public office either than the district assemblies or local government units.
Yes, parties. Yes, parties in there was a shady babamu, a bit boo mine. Mbrana my who can say, Sajman, I was here. We are said to be power beer, but be I ever to a baby as any part to begin. And the party sponsor candidates on the president, party sponsor candidates on MP. And so do assembly elections, nay, or be obeyed this is their parties money from. And no, yes, and to Swaba. Nay, and just parties in you move from another parties no information. Inti other than to these assemblies or local governments, you know, and no near free ho.
Okay.
Into
including party all levels of elections.
Into Kaya Wabe do and sponsor candidates for elections to any public office. Full stop. Which means assembling a public officer, we should be able to sponsor candidates. And no na yabo hunde will say Ebedu Tama is here ready say yeah assembly elections no. Na yes ye che adwen ho say ya over assembly over baby a obon say parties wo ho agimu no. E say yenye no pefe no obi an ho say ye beto aba party candidate ni. Mbo no de bebre yeah believe in political party system no de e bebre. Omo nji political party system ndi no. I know the if a champion breast we need go a champion dear so I been feeling so no I be asking watching na yana corner no man no so the unigo for ba na political party system na bunsem gem and then the praise so yami adom June 4 for 7 so ba mu and Ibrahim man obedi president and the PMP 2.5 years but as a political party system yet and a PN is 40 11 good years. No say no more prince one in to say political party system in a bit my boy and not so open transparency, accountability, Yabaka and the revolution, constitution, political party system a bit my masaba. Sabe, so Yamana, what until we had as a parliament or so Yabana parliament in your parliament in your be a cost of be an NTB. Yeah, ngase yeah public accounts. I'm a public accounts committee. I'm a Kobisem auditor general be audit mensiano ni hu yeni audit ministry ni hu yeni ti be yano as the auditor general kware so to me court man ho ahode so to me say charge kra. Nti emu be there if you say political party system no yes in any other system that we have. Nti sad yeah political party a political party. Yeah my ho kwan na so yenyi nipa obegina e wo ya nemu se do say eto this is for so aba eno na ese enko kire ho adwen and referendum no ya gitum na sa 55.3 ya amende a yesema na kyese no ye nyina ya agye atum 2431 say ye nto DC for so aba no na ya san agye atum say se ye nto mo so aba de a
and the political parties form hunyim
ye ma party for so form ni pamra na imagine say ye fan say KMA Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly na party form ho anjim ye ka se be nomination a enye won ase nipa be 20 obi a so obepe KMA mayor edi ye ka se party for unjima ye po ye ka se MPP ye candidate ba ko ni ona ye hwe obetima ye e kwa ye be fa so be ye candidate there internal matter say e ba na ka so by consensus nipa we ne de ne kwa ya gi atum ba so no mo mpini a se ne ye nto abaye ko primaries ni yi ba ko be di anemu a NDC be sa CPP be sa PP be sa ados a nipa be nsia bi kura independent ba ko bi kura ba be fam e be wie no na ye hu se ni obi a gira ho ni asem obi a kani obi a party representing
the ideologies ni
e be wie ni atoso aba na yi ba ko free for all no de emu bi no fi se MYN
okay.
At the end of the day, no going free for our parties now. Best anchor question. And me share chile me near him no be able say. Yes, so say do KMU, AMU, TMU, equipment out nipa kwa ko gina no party we na so ngo gina ma no
ade ba kwa nkofo ebe ya kan wa se won obi amwa safe no join ya me ne deputy minister for local government honorable Obi Amwa I was MP for Kwapim South ana etwetwe enkomo ye di local government ho nkomo especially about the election of MMDCs ana ye di ho nkomo now ya bedu point political parties both MPP ni NDC ene the akeka CPP ni PNC omunyina for muhunyimbi yemane official but ade ba kwa nkofo express concern over ne say yema ho kwan ma openly ye no MPP NDC CPP PPP a bedroom pempensu obi no say MPP for na wa ban mu a they will see the various municipal and district assemblies no a omo nkrofo ni ho no as orphan municipal assemblies and for that matter they will starve them of development eti nka yenya no bia and stand na yemu ye ni ngususu ni party A or party B ono mo ya adwene
number 1 se ka so bia enyina na KM yenya meya e be ja tum se MPP ni na wo ha na nya MPP ni na wo yes obi ansa ne o yenka party asem so nipa o ho no yenim the background nti afa say NDC ne wo so na Kumasi anto ama NDC are we saying say because of that no NDC fa puntu bia anko Kumasi ho aben bia obayesa na je say wo mbesa wo che because ye pay mpo se ka se to aba aben bia ne ho benya ni nyina nkra kra no fa municipalities ne this is a one kra ye ka se to so aba party ba ko entry sipu ni nyina party betima ye ho anya dodo but party ni nya ni nyina that means say ne wanya no unti wani hwe omo one tiamra because I say me let's say common fund I say ko ba bia
right
2 say projects say yeah one they said one factory ni 1 million per constituency o share budget ma special development initiative ministry list of the abano region by region obia de wum sa na ebu o man na obebu o man say ato aba no wo hwe DC for MPP wo bu be 150 160 180 and so this is near 260 in 80 this is aka na there me mama ni nko no just one person watch
one person watch but another concern so Uncle Farisi has to do with the vice versa of it where in other municipal assembly district assemblies senya wo maban and a war a year abemwa they would like to sabotage that government and by so doing there wouldn't be development said be as a government ne ho be ye manfo no ehi and also what do you make of it
say everybody say ayawa so west wo gone na ya to aba MC na MC no ever say MPP MC ne nyae na NDC ne wo so a na MC no o so ombo ne ho modern obono mmodi ya
se de be ye hunu se de
ebi be ka aban na se wa mo hu mmodi am ye hu se MPP wo position so metima ya e be na MPP aba power a training ground u for ba bit is bia me na me ambassador to Turkey kasa they said Turkish ambassador in Ghana now say capital like Istanbul who be mayor Istanbul now deliver who next target the president.
Okay.
Boris Johnson no mayor they say also pay prime minister
yeah
no your foreign affairs and so prime minister and said and the modern boy as mayor and I push now say the opposite call high level into say be to so about MC now so nyama ban e woso into wo hwa ma na gu a wo no kese wo pese mark down so asa atwo party akọ so we man no de ni this ba akọ mam go no mutimi nyi no mo say fa Ghana nyina ma omo enti there's nowhere obi sabe so the city bim aye party bi de no money hu money na onye mo bi hu say party omuni abemu pu no mo yiro mo say no medu abemu a ombe den me.
So to you don't see the negative aspect of it but rather the positive aspect of it.
About issues we o e say me MP me opposition na me do be bia ma bisa DC wa ba ha so there bi we was so ba be kan den na say me montuma me o na montuma ma ban montuma me party me presidential candidate na Dankwa Akufo-Addo na yemra ye ba mini aban mponi ameye ni ye ba meye bi aka ho if you say mini aban no e fan say me MP 5% pe and o mi dimu 95% aka na assembly ni dimu enti montuma na DC no so ofri mi party no be coming ho assembly ho a impuntu edi impuntu no e kwa be fa so e be ni it is the same way ne wo mu so say so ba hwa ye see a roadmap roadmap no che say etimi ye friend ma fi na Ghana for 40% e be to aba na 75% gituma na che say ye no afiri wo ba mra bebre ho a se sesa ebi ho a constitution no se sesa de parliament bi won so local governance act o se hwe bi okura security intelligence agency act because the bill say na mo beto mo so abai this no be in charge of DISEC na
okay
I know say enyina beto adwen ho say say no say this is show man penyen sa awon share ase na security nyina show man penyen ase a ya primo man penyen pa obi obe in charge of security ya ngin free this in semana nti referendum no we are 2020 no imra bebre ho ha o se hwe political parties act o se hwe this is Assembly Elections Act or CHE. This is Assembly Regulations or CHE. Procurement Act or CHE. Said I'm Security Intelligence Agencies Act or CHE. Security Structure and Architecture. No. San and Bay and answer or CSM na MOBA who say do security. National in charge. Regional coordinating councils. I'm going to coordinate all the districts. We still keep them to coordinate all the districts. And also says I buy sika na eba ho the fact say ato abama ones they say no party representative na running what does it mean say or independent budget na be yo imra bia o auditor general bibia be bia no o sha ban ase so conform with the laws of the country into obi drink say nyema ba na was into me ya mepe wo ye ne apero bumra na emra ne obedi say ye de sika ko no ahwe sika no so ya you be exposed. At the end of the day, no, and I'm say a pese in Puntioba. Na mensi hono so o ma atmi ka say as mensi o ye ne to no so abade ne bae. Na enquire to say oya party chairman na party vice nti and o mde ni nkoye and now the dimbe me nsa na come president.
And a president appointed.
And a president appointed back nti ono president nyina. O de untimi kan o hwe be fi say nyona ato abamano and na security of tenor kra sabe to so abana ase wo fina ya onum so wo fina o de be adwuma utumi ye ni ya e be sa ato aban bia momo fi wo twina be dia we de fi wo twi
okay
yes say minister Haji Adebioka so abana table so petition ya daima and the MPDC way, the MPMC way, and unless it's said, Obama say impeachment procedure also funny. And then say, the shame was a man say, Mama Moton Sabano, a more percentage being sound to Abba in Fayina,
okay.
Until some of the laws are making, ya to referendum, Ghana for Ajatunu. So that by 2021, no more president power more 2017, no more 4 years or so. Almost 4 years in Messono near Betuaba Edia Ifufro.
Almost 4 years Messono near Betuaba Ifufro. That is an assurance from Ayonabu Biamo, right?
Yes.
They say no you're sure they say the next government, whether AMPP or NDC, by a Yansha Gufomono, a bedroom one on Nature say, yeah, Betuaba the MMDCs.
Yes.
Mami read the messages about where you say Uku Ayenswano or say I think it's high time that more employed proactive measures in dealing with flood instead of waiting for avoidable predicaments of to befall us. The lamentations have been same from Adam, yet nothing better has been done to end this annual flood in our cities. Also, the citizenry must be a better responsible by putting an end to dumping of waste in gutters and building in waterways, knowing the repercussions, for it is clear Ghana has everything in abundance apart from common sense. We only pay people in this country to talk and certainly not to work. This is interesting between SP and Mahama Yarga of Boko. Okay, but say Uku Ayenswano say change of attitude. Makan wasemne. It doesn't just happen by telling the people to change their attitude. It needs to go through a process.
You have to enforce the law.
You have to enforce the laws. There must be planning. There must be everything. Education. It must all come into changing of the attitude. Mukaila Jonas, I mostly blame democracy for allowing this corrupt. Okay, Mukaila Jinawansa.
But then can say that they are pro political party and anti-political party. In young ground, maybe 11 years of PNDC.
Nobody now occur something which is not related to Nkoma Yedi and Ntina Mistopino. Good afternoon, Kateche. The youth president, Amiben Kwabenya Water Junction. When it comes to sanitation, the current depreciated administration has failed big time. Tell Honorable that if persuasion fail, force must be applied. He can't say if the people refuse to do it. That is why they have to use political will, but because they want to retain power, they look ideal for things to spoil. Okay, tell him I said we don't want such lazy attitudes. Institutions must work no matter the party in power, period. No Kwabenya Water Junction na Ebenezer Adebayo. Enobruwa writing from Asheresu in the Kwapim South District. Asheresu in the Kwapim South District. So good afternoon to my workaholic NP Honorable Obiamwa. We the people of Asheresu are behind him. Kaboom, ask Honorable Obiamwa that is there any law to deal with MMDCs who will try to sabotage the government in power when they are elected? I rest my case. Any Enobruwa. Bro, I'm sure say there wouldn't certainly be any law, but it goes to affect you. Jataba Divine from Nsawam, fantastic afternoon, Kaboom. What am I hearing? Kojo Ponkroma has assisted 1,500 BECE. Chia Masset, the money that is rightfully DS. Jataba, we are your Ponkroma. JB Sawamsa, kindly greet my former MP, Honorable Osebun Suamwa, for me. Please ask him if no carry the day after the referendum, what will be the next action? Okay. I think Odianobe Toho Amayeno answer. Come with me, the present flood crisis, government is not the problem, but the citizens. We should be citizens and not spectators. JB, I disagree with you 101% on it. Government is the problem because leadership is everything, believe you me. Citizens will change their mind when leadership enforces the law and educate them to do so. Kaboom, tell the Deputy Minister of Local Government that sanitation problems can somehow be solved if only the city guards are reassigned to work day and night to arrest people who throw rubbish or refuse, as well as open defecation into drainages and gutters. City guards should leave the traffic matters for police MTTD. After all, what are the duties of city guards currently? Else, there should be sanitation task force to arrest people. Kojo mensa adwenchere eno no honorable be puti eno down ra say me sure say obi sabotage eye aban in terms of self development man nkrofo Martin Ebika me do go after that person. Good afternoon, His President. As a nation, we have misplaced priorities. This has been caused by the deceit and lies of political leaders, because the dumping of refuse in drains when Zoom Lion metallic bin in areas are non-existent nowadays. How can we change? Then no one is punished for that. How can... Okay, I think your message mixed up. Send it back. Yade honorable Obi Amwa ana AD enkomo efa MMDC ho. Yebeja no ato ho in the short while when was answer questions about. But before say honorable be answer questions no. Also betimi send a message about 0202222067 na yebusa honorable. But don't forget say your former deputy minister for youth and sports. Evadamata yedinbe sports kakra ansa na yejano amenako. Honorable, questions about no quick
that's it. Ebedo bi ase tie for mo mutie ni o ma dwe nkyira o mo de aba. Question back no sabotage. Sabotage no be fa ne say o mu mienu e o mu ne say imrano na undi su na ubusu ana. Se wa ni imrano so dia na che say e was imrano ni udi. No so fa ne say send am sika no fancy ato so aba nti wo ye ni awope na wa ndi mra so na ka say wo sabotage aban na mra no ni obedi the other aspect is say me ntimi me honye na me fi say me sabotage aban so antri ho anya mensinu na obo mo fom omo so betra ahwe or let's say won sama bi o so sama ba wa hwe mpo ana o party na o ma party no akire no say as soon as you didn't buy our party we no jam oba hu hwe obegu this is in mind the other answer antoma no and answer the answer antoma the party ni those aspects of it, you know, say what is your team say oh you be a obi na wo ye wo ho na wa ye obusiafo nyina and also obi anu a ode ho ba chew no vote. What next if there is no vote? Look where we say about 200 there. Say 2431 na parliament no. Say parliament gituma. Na je say ye po ye beto DC for so aba. Okay. Nti about say referendum no cry no about to ye beto, which it only thing that it will mean is say yes my political parties for inform hu nhim. And also another je say o say ye ko tete akiro. Be tete akiro bo zo be ko na ebinum hyede mo to primaries. I can say yes party for council na dey wo ko. What you say? If we say that no vote during a referendum, as for election of MMDCs, if 2431 is carried out, it will go on. Okay. Yeah, the DC and MMDC election come on about talk na yasha see the come when because of time factor be pa there be you sports no so honorable parks and gardens lands yes abai moton parks and gardens asemo but say first Ghanaian Times here whole story and a second TV3 so go twa home pictures the woman say Minister Haji Alima Mahama obae na Imra Minister say twam aji atum ni say yenye PPP na nka parks and gardens for asase ye fama private people no mo so go Messi office ma parks and gardens for minister say on preso. Okay. If say me bri won ho a ogitum anyi. Can you imagine say parks and gardens head office o ma say that were 9 acres. Say minister gisa amra ya akoso ituma e must 6 acres ba ko di ankran ho. Minister Messi office ma parks and gardens. Messi office ma parks and gardens. Enyamo na moye. No more equipment. Enyamo na moye. Debi I buy previous government there. And I'm buying am say mo nyintum. Nyintum e free ankra ne opon for so bre so. Ba abesi cause that am reso. And normally say share to ho.
and I'm also into.
Yes, into.
It's Yamana Moton.
There be
Yenya rest assured say Parks and Gardens.
Yeah, mom mum na yes pnia. Ya chiroko Attorney General. So or no loyalty or my advice by a mum dear. Say nti enya de a e prince. One, PPP no mo ye no kra famra kwanso.
Okay.
Two, procurement so ye hu ne mutu fe ni papa ko say be si dai ma Parks and Gardens ye ma 2 acres. Cantonments assassin 2 acres. 8+.
8+, yeah.
Value be the two so. I agree say the 8+ no matter. No matter be brain be equivalent to the 8+. And some another places so yes another 4 acres so yes some farmers and go for na.
So we should be rest assured that under your leadership, somebody for private individuals.
Emma, so you can say the court to cry in a back court.
Okay.
Now, assassinate down a G idea.
Okay.
Say office being OCC, ABC office.
And yes, some more Jenna watching I be most much a charm.
Debbie.
Okay. So honorable Biamo is on record. And no chat, mammy, there be a mebonwa. Say Emma so never such 90 Parks and Gardens assassin. One more ye free microphone and some answer and Chema woman Cassa. One more. Says
Yamia do buy no. Lands Commission for no more transit. Mama demarcate Parks and Gardens for us over 9 acres. Actually, near Fine.
Okay.
Our residential property income.
Okay.
So, Uncle, one more day, when come residential property. And as a company, and for Parks and Gardens, for residential purposes. So, office, there was a basic office, that Parks and Gardens for any office or
okay, Honorable Biamwa Akana, we are a member of parliament.
Yes.
Very quick one on the standoff between Martin Ebika Amidu and Mahama Ayariga. What is your take on it?
Sir, Emrano Biache Nadwin, Constitutional Chair, Senior, say, or parliamentar. I was a man boy home by, and who be painted. And as a constitution, you win me as a shame. Okay, I may catch it, Sabi Oma, Ebia, Yabako Sam, no Munshe Dan Shane, and I say Oma, and Omunshe Dan Ye. Say, come Kuma Breast, we do maybe. Say, Evans, I got Uncle Parliament. Parliament, I'll say, Speaker Semka, not Speaker Manakasa. We are Uncle Assistant the books, no across. As I say, me MPP. Come Kuma Breast, and Nancy. And so I am Rasa, say, Oba Pamena by SA, I was here Koto Swaba by election. Into I was sending cars were giant NDC by MPP, acquire by election. And Olusuye, and go Winnie and I got back. What I say, into the same way, no. Say, Constitution, who are back was some, I was say, okay, say, MPO call Koyajma now, Fred Mama. And if I say, a tata, if you say, I buy me by a or Tata MPs I be man cross capital that moko ezai and a democracy no I say to na say man no brass kra itiene na speaker can say on to me can say ma emra enye adwuma and on to me can say omo MP bia ho ban o hwe the ruling na just say na yarega kan no so e kan wo kwan foforo so Pamlo Chano said Tama MP Parliament here, man, dear, men got some fan got na court.
Okay.
And he said, Jordan, a young court parliament, na Jordan, Obeko Quarter, Mrama Hokai. Now, said me, Tuesday to Friday, yeah, Parliament here, man, dear, men got some on funny time in got na court. Yes, Anna, almost on Mutabama and say, or make every moment, almost so. All right,
but let me put it on record. Say a year justice and what so no what so no in fact was subpoena a year member of parliament said won't appear before her by 1 o'clock today, which I'm sure said
as we were living now or Kodani new amendments for Kwakujano.
I no could do a pistol, only justice now a pistol and some former President John Dramani Mahama casted doubt on the electoral commission's ability to conduct a neutral general elections. What do you think? Do you think the electoral commission can deliver 2020?
2 hours. Because you see there, me, I'm ready to face anybody. You see, I'm 7 there. Yeah, 2 hours, not a team, or more than a count.
But do you think a bit more conduct a free and fair election?
Why not? It's interesting because MPP until now, Emrea, I can say, appointee chair of the commission, any other members. No. Now, since 92, MPP appointed chair that. You see, winning elections twice. Recent one being Charlotte say.
It's whether more appointed or more appointed.
As at the time, I Charlotte say, Becca, easy, Hono. 90% or name move 5 and easy for the appointee.
Okay.
Na me no pen na president before Breswa or appoint
you. Still a movie.
It's still you winning. Tie that me can we obviously at the okaze. You say here boxing no you call ring my the referee call. The referee call say ahoden na go show ring mu no referee we bukura mo. Knockout kura go knockout no referee better can say lose fight no. In the same way no yeah depending on easy China they be win elections. I go on from on the ground. Yeah, you
police station they win election.
Police station
it's move winning way. Police station.
Now I share my I'm going to about no I about say I can't we so I actually ya na who say am pa
opo be declare the actual no.
Intinya obi oti national. Number 2 I'm one president Mahama former president I to Kasa say.
Ade
say declaration of results, presidential results. I don't know easy for declare, and they say hacking. I don't know easy for one country. Nipa na pa no. Ni breso went man can somebody and find hold that. You talk about we know how many years as an official. I don't certain when be sa question see. Number 2, everyone so President Akufo-Addo am pam easy for. Ya TB wo krum hadda. Say easy chair to meet your petition koma yoku say yoku and suspend the deputy madam opukwa mankwa Charlotte say na cho koma yoku say or investigating on provident matters war easy nti yemba kotena fi over 1 year and no president Akufo-Addo ka so kotena fi at the end of the day no omo petition against each other president Akufo-Addo ma ekodu CJ wa CJ say nsemo nti obahwehwem nti oti committee no CJ committee anim say am inform me say omukoma evidence against each other.
It's your man shooting themselves in the leg.
Na no be president Akufo-Addo
onobo bia mo 2020 election mo betimi wini
winning hands down
2020
you need that so
NPP government Nanado government when John Mahama is coming back
na you Nanado legacy o kan we that eno na ye de ni hian se ye be koso aye adwuma amagana fo ate ase amagana fo hu se adwuma mo hye ensa no igusu ye ni da so wo ho nti omo sa anye adom ye nto aso na Ghana nye ka behwe de bia no ye be ba na Ghana butu na Ghana amoa ni aba ni ye be ni ye na bi no masa abaji no masa ase no na o se samare be ye
okay
eti kroma na president Akufo ba na o se ko hepik ikromun kakra ewi na nya oyo ewi na fi IMF ewi na economy no ahead 4 times 5 times na beto ye yenu anu mbae omo shase na ombeto oyo 2011 om see fastest growing economy say do 2012 ye to abawie e bibia egu afere ye to change the narrative enko IMF no so how ni abebese sa na yaba na abeyi ye hu afra IMF no say banking crisis e kosi we are sure say nke so anonte man ke bedu ni edui IMF na bem no mbeka say mo se ba IMF sa banks na mo ahwe egu no ma nso ano a ebegu kro ni nyina ene ya che hu say a ya beto ayesum kakra ene governor so hia 7 billion ansa no de ahwe microfinance for banks ankasa yembese egu a Ghana for behwiro musika nti never say buying by parliament be approval na yepe hu sika na dey so bank sim kakra na mene sika dey koto bank no ye nya ni nyakra ye nya bia ye dey ahwe ye hafa wo hwe utie na wo hwe na ekoso obi wo ho a sebi oto ade wodwom na wonya ni sika kakra do ba ko hwe bank mu bu hu a se mo hwe bank si ebirim dey aton saase ebirim dey ase properties kura say aban person trace properties akodi sa ngofo obeko obu akura nyani dimu na wo
but almost dem ye nyina the unemployment aba ngofo nyumegu any the eke ka ho nti eno will lead to say mobelusu 2020 election
oh the here ka sense e be kire asemu yi
okay
ni a kire Ghana for bebia e beto ye ni bebia de Ghana for akodu dudu na beti ase ni aka chem say ya ma anga
essay chance
oh ya manga kronu gui kojoto
okay It's the NPP 2020 election. Fantastic one, but sir, I grab him out over Sako.
And
you are caught off guard.
As usual, said I go for Caro. Some more for some member.
The people,
if the people say
because of the people,
because of the people.
Yes, now will be a position where president to be home. Now, acquire see a famano, acquire see a famano, or call back who sooner, Yakachira and say, I don't know who was it. Oh, you know, as for me, I am well to do.
Yes,
I am okay. But because of the people,
oh, the BBD,
because of the people,
the people say I should come.
I am from sports, Kakra, or former deputy minister of sports. Honorable, what is your take on Ghana's chances of winning the upcoming Nations Cup?
Ghana, I mentioned the Cup of Nations be a favorite. Tournament be a favorite. So, and they wouldn't be any film. The only say finance, ya could be a club of the AB. Club of so on the do finance. You want to do. You mentioned you never walk alone. Club etimi aji. Mighty Liverpool club etimi aji. European champions. Sana yeso yemfa mpaibo ni ahwodin ene kroye entire blacks as echi. Finance akwache. Natural this time no Emma Ghana no be ehun say ba football Africa. In fact, 2010 Cup of World Cup, we were one kick away from getting to the semi-finals. Last four, so that's free to have it. So, and to me, I am semi-finals and Africa and because I do South Africa, me compare finals. Before the night, me Ghana. Because me call my we call I'm here semi-finals, the market finals in the year free me in the car Spain in the lands. Me do airport South Africa. Oh Ghana, Bagana. Why? We were all supporting you. We knew you were the light of Africa. What happened? And I'm so be a nyamensem. I'm pedatina some wajan. Went to mansion and the Abedua. Yes, Uncle, could do finance. And finance is so that anything can happen. I will be asking Kadia Fan Casem, but Brenya, yes, sports analyst. I want Bene, a banner sports, more Bene. Brenya, very quick one, only honorable in your mammy.
Honorable, that's what I was saying. If you have a Tunkanache, Office Sports Ministry of Wilfred Cosmin Castles beyond the Airbass and Asia, ye be D Sports. First of all, now all come about Ghana, the born in Bo, na so ache. Yes. And you better now the captain of the team, Ankasa, Yaje. If in Samoa, you are the general captain. I appointed you as the substantive captain of the team. 1 month on to a major tournament. Would that soon see about Jaba? Your take on say you're the captain if we Asamoah in Sim, our Amban for 7 years. I am deputy there. You going to a tournament 1 month.
But that's it. Sir, 7 years here. I will be at it. I say. The can say in idea holding by Bobet Tile Machi. Now, Wakoji Cap number. It be a bedroom so glad captain be a match in the ground to be mobile. So the number boo and that's about 1 match pen or so got chain. But in here they say in a collective will say be yet the papa continue a tournament. And initially no Nebulum Gasu coach didn't call it funny say the Fansan can just say about a chill in a cotrancy. President Grandano to movie. Emma, near him say, as some more young, a jar to me say. To say the day and I found as captain. This was still a team no. In Amfa, in Yansa, Yahodi, near Empire Bon Town, Machi. The sky is the limit. I want to be Kojiba. In Abacasa Ghana and Akoji, Sabin captain Bako, and our party Bako, and I say Coach Kosiapia and Akojaba.
Now, shut team Nankasa holding the competition here. If you say Ghana in time past, you produce very good teams. Yet they are quite intimate and a team with the Moha. Intimate Moya, my and Jeff Con.
nkofo na ka na also ka bi
oh me for the people
you are echoing the
voice of the people
because of the
people to get a four SM na me be some
yeah na team na mostly under 20s you do find out 2010 in Egypt host nation kakra bi danka e pia moto nchen enti you may say some teams be or Salah Mane Keita but team they also a country is a club no. You may say Africa some players no more pedigree especially more English league ne kaka ho but in any power akoni the tournament teamwork the here say nipa ya assembly coach is when you experience enough call World Cup call Cup of Nations call for when you experience enough na ina so e dey adwempa be bona time echi na enya good team group ayo mu say no on paper no we are stronger than any of them.
True.
It me cross first round after you do knockout stage now one match at a time we won't how far we can go and you should not dismiss the team on paper. So we share other countries are more Salanti and almost Salah idea. Almost say some teams are more favorites than others. Egypt, when it comes to Cup of Nations, more pedigree and almost are close to account. And to be funny say, hey, Egypt were favorites as you may say. But that doesn't mean say, yeah, I cannot echo Jom Kakaneba. Into on paper, no, you may have some teams that they look strong on paper. But yet, people they bobo and Man City also more European Cup. Any day Man City, you say they are stronger than even Liverpool. Because Liverpool one match per Liverpool lose to Man City they share Liverpool. 1 point the power went to Fantasy League is because of Man City. But do European?
It's worry. Ghana can make headway.
Until say you about quarter tournament now we are men the end man you know. I have full hope in the Ghana team. Say, I'm going to very far.
Okay.
Last question now.
What about hope? Ghana Ekopimo Dubai. Team ni fi ha na no memen na. And so budget ye de call Afcon yenim. Sika ye de tia Black Stars winning bonus yenim.
Sports
na.
Oba question Sports Live binim say our platform no so.
But I also.
Yes,
Sports Live.
Why me sakra de akebe.
I can best babu me. Oh yes, Sports Live question me bisa we.
Na me say o ara me ba bidia ba kwa tumo. Ba yi anu o hono ya say. Na o ti wa ha na wa ha. No kura ene it will interest you to know. I may catch a minister, Siama. We saw kind of Sports Life. I'm for this with the name, the budget. Let me say, Yam was in Chibia, I never say Parliament cry, Mr. Budget to answer. No, so budget today, no problem. Budget today, it was so the budget, but to now, my pain, I got up, I'll say, Quay Bibia. Now, budget out the banner, Ghana for Becassa. Niana, Omobi Kakane say, instead of say, you bet. Being como ache adwin no ma bebe ho no ye ba be kan say sika no so and a blasters obi akoje 10,000 na Ghana hu sika sa office wa anya for and no na be talk of the town but I even told him say 10,000 no cry say the ma as winning bonus and our qualification bonus o share I am farmer budget $20 million cry na contingent on other aspects sir. Other aspects, NCA, Sigani and Spendy. As to Dubai trip, training camp near Kakaho. I mean, charge the GMPC, woman sponsor Blasters. You buy no, initially no. Now, I said we're not too comfortable. I buy it and what to GMPC, Mumwa, normalization, GMPC sponsor. Into Blasters, Mumwana, you're Shessica Seminole. Minister of Finance or rep or our committee so yeah when I buy between the one GMPs between the one and former team na omunkoji cap no mra e do accountability there is no way minister between aka say or the BBC like parliament agent question cry and I can just say now chairman of
one more
sports committee now ranking of sports committee Oh, questions were bisa was supposed to be. It was already questions in the back. But we should not. The whole day budget was something here count sports life. Because I don't mind the personal. I'm going to say we do our personal. So that kiki cha sponsorship Africa kiki asandiaba. And I was a sponsorship to say be kiki the shape get it there. Or board no some shareholders. It is a shareholder say yeah first can be in Kobwa a good cause like sponsoring the national team. I don't see anything wrong. But figures in there. Many ministers akasa I say enche bia no kakra bia beti asese e ka ye board national team no. Say no matter bro mo che kra omunwi
yeah
na so mutu nkwan but omudi bia ba beto mo bia hu. And sometimes go no aboka na wi na say ka me boy ni no achichim say we dey na boss aka no obi ati ase obi anti ase no so the tajina be bam kra so tajina bam.
All right, we find out one. Anka, me hold on. Keep dim come coach. Me find out one. I also mean China. Me, you know, you never possible.
Gaga be na go sports.
To dia day. Ni na ka. I to dia day na NCA the competition ba ye more ye be parliament mu bem e be kan ye ma ene ye to ye. Dia ba no kwan se kotoko. Say in semi course into many bone no suntino and competition come do semi final many has neighbor or match ho e the film parliament mati hu bibia then am ya found
me kan headlines but me share dan kan mu na everyone kakra say na competition what ba kwa do achi maka has ne kotoko e na 8 win chance na bako big team like kotoko because say and o twini ho every competition just say Bibi to see us saying a trans na yehwe. I don't think say Kotoko should boycott this competition. Asem bia obi a say can say it me can. So the stage because say that has for some foreign refuge.
Yeah.
It bia no why it me can say sikasema yenka say rules of the competition so yenka. Na me say bibi edui na team like Kotoko etimi so as no the second
the second has the first also
has the first na second the first we say enti en Washington am we dey me ne Kotoko nya adwe Jamako. If I see him speak to him any day anytime I'll tell him say that is not the way forward. They should take part in the competition. It's a crowd Kumasi, they should take part in the competition and do their best. Even if you don't make it next time, it's all part of the competition.